Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. In this video, I am going to discuss with you how as a fresher, you can start your preparation for multiple legal exams together. I am also going to share a study plan with you which can give you a direction and you can day by day improve on your preparation level. I have told in my multiple videos about the various exams that happen in the law officer arena. We divide it into four categories: regulatory bodies, insurance banking sector, PSUs, assistant public prosecutor and public prosecutor. So you can prepare for all these exams together. Just check out the eligibility of these exams from my earlier video. Now, in order to prepare for all or any of these exams, there are some subjects that you usually have to prepare. One is reasoning, then English, then general awareness, which is usually present in all the exams. Then quantitative aptitude is present in few of these exams. Then law subject is required in all of these exams. Then computer, descriptive English, descriptive legal, this is present in few of the exams. So whichever exams you are targeting, based on that you can choose the subjects with which you should start your preparation with. Now coming specifically to the legal subjects, in the law subjects, you have to study civil law for all the exams: CPC, Arbitration, Transfer of Property Act, Limitation Act. Then you have to study criminal law, and now all the exams are shifting towards new criminal law, so you have to study the new criminal laws. Then Constitution, then Contract Law, Contract Act, Specific Relief Act, Partnership Act, Sale of Goods Act, then Corporate Law, which includes Companies Act, IBC and LLP. Then you have other laws like torts, consumer protection. These are required for almost all the exams. Then you have RTI, IT, FEMA, PMLA, Competition Act, Stamp Act. These are required for banking exams. Then you have securities law, rules, regulations. These are required for SEBI and IFSC exams. Then you have banking laws for banking exams, insurance laws for insurance exams. There are labor codes, family laws also required in some of the exams. So you'll have to check out the syllabus of various topics. I will suggest you can start your preparation with the one marked in blue. These are almost common in all the exams. So start your preparation with these topics and then you can move to specific topics for any upcoming exam. In order to help you with your preparation and to give you a push, a direction, I am here sharing a study plan with you, which is a 2-month plan. You may require 5 to 6 months to complete the syllabus at least once and then move on to the revision phase. But this plan can give you a direction. So here this is your Mega B legal study plan. This is added in the description. This is for freshers. So I'm assuming you will be able to commit 7 to 8 hours on a daily basis. This may vary based on your preparation level, your strengths, your weaknesses. The major focus is SEBI legal, IBPS SO law and various other law officer exams. You are required to study general awareness on a daily basis. Then quant, reasoning, English, any one subject. You can spend 2 to 2.5 hours daily on this, and then you have to study law subjects for 3.5 to 4 hours on a daily basis. This will be your schedule from Monday to Friday. Saturday and Sunday will be for your revision. So here you can see in week 1, I'm asking you to start with your constitution. Day 1, you will be spending time on preamble and part 1, and in reason you'll be spending time on coded blood relations with daily BPDR in general awareness. So this will go on for week 1. On day 6, that is on upcoming Saturday, or whenever you have started your preparation, you will revise prelims or phase 1 paper 1 topics. So quant, reasoning, English, GA. You will revise this and you will practice specific English topics, parts of speech and tenses. Day 7 is revision day for legal. So here you will revise whatever you have studied from Monday to Friday in constitution. Then you will move to week 2 where you will take up next topics of reasoning and you will continue with your constitution. On weekend again you will practice English, you will revise. Then moving to week 3. Week 3 is devoted to your securities law and further topics in reasoning. Saturday is for English. Then week 4 you have to study Indian Contract Act and Specific Relief Act. Further topics in reasoning, you have to cover up general awareness on a daily basis. So this plan can give you a day-wise target and you can try to follow this plan. Try to see how you are moving ahead with your preparation. Even in our exclusive courses, SEBI Legal Exclusive, IBPS SO Law Exclusive and Mega B Legal courses, we provide personalized study plans which are quite similar to this. The difference is they will be customized according to you. The plans will be based on your strength, on your weakness, the time you can commit for your studies. And therefore, the duration of this study plan can vary from 20 weeks to 65 weeks. So if you are still in 4th year and you are preparing for 2026, then your plan will be of 65 to 70 weeks. If you are in final year and you will be appearing for exams from June, July onwards, then your plan will be somewhere around 30 to 35 weeks. And if you are in full-time preparation mode, you can devote more time, then your plan can range between 20 to 25 weeks. So this sample plan, this study plan can give a direction, and based on this you can further create your plan, or you can take our guidance, enroll in our course, and we will give you a customized, personalized study plan for your preparation. Further, in order to guide you in your preparation, I am conducting a free workshop this Saturday, 22nd of February at 5 p.m. How to prepare for upcoming law exams in 3 months. In the next 3 months, we are expecting some notifications. 3 insurance law officer exams are expected, PFRDA Grade A legal is expected, RBI legal is expected. So how you can start your preparation for these exams, how you can prepare for the upcoming exams in 3 months, that is what we are going to discuss in this workshop. The agenda is what are the upcoming law exams. Is it even possible to prepare for these exams in 3 months? And how to prepare in such limited time? Obviously, you will have to go for smart study. You will have to skip some topics. You will have to focus on topics which have more weightage. And that is what I'm going to guide you in this workshop. You can register for this workshop using the link present in the description below. Be there on 22nd February at 5 p.m. and I'll be addressing all your queries. You can also check out our Mega B Legal online course, which is all-in-one course which can help you in the preparation of all the upcoming exams. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Enroll with iExamB and make your preparation 50% faster. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.